We stayed at the Mitsis Grand Hotel in Rhodes on the 2nd of April for 4 nights. We managed to find a great package deal through EasyJet, so we took advantage. The hotel only opened the day before we arrived, and a lot of the places surrounding the hotel were still closed, like touristy shops and bars and restaurants. But only 5 minutes you're into the new town, and another 15-minute walk you're into the old town, which is absolutely beautiful. So a really, really great position. You're able to hire cars, you're able to hire bikes, and yeah, it's a 5-star all-inclusive hotel. And our room 419 is a twin room, and we originally booked a garden view, but we were pleasantly surprised to find that we were upgraded to a sea view, which was just so beautiful. Plenty of hangers in the wardrobe, free safe, free air conditioning. We had pool towels, robes and slippers, and yeah, coming out onto the balcony every morning with a cup of tea, and at night as well with a few drinks from the mini bar or from the cocktail bar downstairs, which I did now and again. It's just beautiful. The sunset's right opposite the hotel, so beautiful views overlooking Turkey as well. It is on the west coast, which is a little bit more windier, so the sea colour here is a gorgeous turquoise. You can see the start of Ellie Beach, and with the aquarium at the top there, which is where we tended to walk most places. Just around the corner from the aquarium is a gorgeous beach bar called Rhonda. Definitely recommend. So in our room we had a kettle and cups with teas, coffees, milks and sugars that were stocked up daily. Plus we had a fridge with free drinks in, lots of different soft drinks. We had a bottle of red wine, some beers and water. A person came round every morning around 9, half 9, asking if we wanted topping up. The bathroom, nice and clean. The shower, quite powerful. You're able to have clean towels every day if you want to. They stock up as well on shampoo, conditioner, body lotions and shower gels, which is handy. There's a hairdryer here as well. It's not super powerful, but it's fine. We were on the 4th floor. I believe the hotel has a 5th floor. There's 2 lifts, but one of them wasn't working. So my son and I, nearly every time we were going up and down our room, we went up the stairs. We just thought it was just quicker to do so than waiting around for the lift. There needs to be some updating. Our room was clean, it was tidy, beds were super comfy, but it just needs repainting. The paintwork on the walls, the doors, the units, the desks, and the floors as well is like burn marks on the floors and stains. Yeah, not 5-star luxury in that respect. You can see the back of the hotel with the pool, which we didn't use. It was a freshwater pool, so freezing cold as it was the beginning of April. And that is where you have the Mexican restaurant, the Greek restaurant, and you have a pizza place, and also the creperie as well, which we did use. There's a shop as well on site, and a buffet restaurant, which is a large room that serves breakfast, lunch and evening meals. The hours available for food were really great. Lots and lots of choices, really friendly staff. You are greeted at the door and shown to your table. Then you have waiters and waitresses then bring you drinks over, and you just help yourself to as many dishes and food as you want. There's a bar that you can choose premium drinks and cocktails. They've got an indoor pool, which was available. Again, we didn't go into it because we were here just for a couple of days. We basically used this hotel just as a base as we went off exploring throughout the day. But we did have a game of pool and ping pong now and again. Crepes in the creperie were beautiful. We had Nutella and apple, and it's just really nice. Again, because we were out during the day, we didn't try any of the restaurants that are outside there. The outside restaurants, the majority of them, I believe, finished at around 8 or 9 p.m. I could be wrong there, but I know that the creperie was open until 2 o'clock in the morning. A week or so after we arrived home, Mitsis Grand started getting a lot busier, and you can see on social media they have more entertainment during the night and lots more things going on for the kids as the season starts up. But yeah, while we were there, it was just starting, but it was really great to be in Rhodes town, within walking distance of the old town, new town, ferries over to other Greek islands and Turkey. It's just a really great base. The views from the balcony are, yeah, definitely a pull for me to go back there.